Assam is immersed in Rongali Bihu festivities. Here are some visuals from Kaziranga, where Minister Atul Bora is taking part in the Bihu celebrations. Take a look.
Gole pahorim tuke aita jil mil kore aita mukuta kore aita kesa khun borohe ga oi misimi ahibo oita bore bianibo
imi ahibo oita bore bianibo
misimi ahibo oita bore bianibo
misimi ahibo oita bore bianibo
take khai pahorim tuke aita jilmi